thanks very much. Right. We'll change things a small bit and play this tune for Zoe, the wonderful Zoe and John. So it's a little tune, kind of cartoonish, and I have to head to Galway immediately after this. But this journey took place from my house to Clifton many years ago, after I received a phone call reminding me that I should be in Clifton instead of lying in bed in my home. So it was a friend of mine by the name of Brendan Flynn. And the phone call was based on a prior agreement that we had, which both of us had actually forgotten, well, except him, I suppose. Anyway, the phone call caused me to jump out of bed and get into a bad car and travel along a bad road, and the journey was very traumatic, so traumatic in fact that it shook this little tune out of my head, and it's called The Road Bust. So. It starts off very sleepily and dreamily until the phone rings. Now, younger members of the audience won't recognise the dial tone, probably.